This is Marie Rosado. I am your South of Atlanta realtor with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Network Brokers. Today I am here with Mike McFarlane. He is a loan officer with Cornerstone Mortgage, and he's here to talk about two very important topics. The first one is going to be student loan, and the second one is he's gonna briefly talk about credit report, credit score. Take it, Mike.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I know there are two things that people are very concerned about when they're thinking of buying a house. Usually it's their credit score and student loans. A lot of folks think student loans will rule them out of buying a house. That's not necessarily so. If your student loans are on a deferred payment basis or a lower payment and your score is over 640 or 640 and above, you may qualify for a Freddie Mac loan, and in that case, Freddie Mac allows us to use the amount that is showing on your credit report. So you may have a $50,000 loan, but let's say your payment is only $200. We can use $200 as your payment when we calculate your debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio, of course, is sum of all your debts, including your mortgage payment, divided by your income. So student loans are not necessarily a deal breaker, but you need to talk to a loan officer first so they can look into the details of what your credit looks like. The next point that most people worry about is your credit score. Now, your credit score can be as low as 500 and you can still get a loan. The rider on that is that you may need to put down between 20 and 25%. Now, we do those loans. If you're at 580, you may qualify for a FHA loan, which is a government-backed loan, and you can put down as little as 3.5%. Your credit score is not something that's fixed in stone. You want to make sure that you have a loan officer look at your credit report and they can advise you. What we do at my company at Cornerstone Mortgage is we run an analysis that tells you whether you need to pay down any accounts or what you need to do, whether you need to get a new line of credit in order to raise your credit score. As a matter of fact, I just finished working with a customer this weekend who needed to pay down about $1,100 on 3 credit cards in order to lift her score by 60 points. So don't guess, don't let your cousin tell you, talk to a loan officer first.
Thank you, Mike. So, how do people can get in touch with you or a loan officer? Can you give us some details about that?
Okay, my phone is always on. Call me at 404-954-1645, or you can email me at mcfarlane@cstonemortgage.com.
I will make sure to leave his information on the description box, and you can reach out to him anytime that you like. Any other information that you want to share, Mike?
Well, it's a free consultation, so it's better to know exactly what position you're in instead of writing yourself off. I can't do a home loan, so call us first.
Well, thank you, Mike, for being here, and I hope this is one of many other videos that you and I do together.
I think this will work. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I hope that you find that information helpful. If you do, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye.